Maps in PowerView display your data in the context of geography. In less than 15 seconds, I can create an interactive map to look at metal count by country region. I start with metal count and NOC country region code. From the Switch Visualization Gallery, I select Map. If you haven't already enabled content, PowerView will prompt you to do so. Almost instantly, my data is converted to a map. The bigger the bubble, the more metals won. I can hover over each bubble to get specific quantitative details. Here I see that Uzbekistan has won 18 medals and Finland has won 710. The maps are powered by Bing, and PowerView sends the data to Bing through a secured web connection for geocoding. To make my map more interesting and colorful, I drag the metal category to the color field. Now my bubbles become little pie charts. Orange represents the number of bronze medals, blue gold, and red silver. The colors may be different in your report, and at the current time there is no way to assign specific colors like gold, silver, and bronze to the pie charts. However, I can change the legend order from alphabetical to gold first, silver second, then bronze. I'll do this in PowerPivot. In the metal table, I select the metal column, and from the Sort and Filter gallery, select Sort by Column. In the dialog that opens, the metal column is already selected as the Sort column, and I add metal value as the By column. Metal value assigns values to the metals, 1 to gold, 2 to silver, and 3 to bronze. When I click OK, I see no change in PowerPivot, but back in PowerView, the data model is updated and my legend is now sorted the way I like it. Because my map in PowerView uses Bing map tiles, I can zoom and pan as I would with any other Bing map. Zooming and panning is smooth and quick. I can even get down to the street level if I need to. Finland has done well at the Olympics: 217 silver, 179 gold, and 314 bronze medals. PowerView maps are interactive. I can cross-filter charts and other PowerView visualizations and vice versa. I'll start by slicing my map by season. When I add a slicer, clicking one or more slicer values immediately updates my map. Looking at Finland again, notice how PowerView responds instantaneously to data changes. With this slicer, it's easy to see that Finland takes a larger share of medals at the Winter Games. In addition to being filtered, maps can do the cross-filtering. I'll add a chart that displays the number of events by sport. Now I use my map to filter the table by country region and also by season. The possibilities are infinite. If I convert this table to a bar chart, I can cross-filter the map by clicking the bars. As I click data points, it takes PowerView less than a second to update the map to show the applicable data, even when applying both filters and slicers to the map. I'll show you just one more cool thing I can do with maps. I can tile my maps. Let's say I want to look at metal count by year. Drag year to the Tile By field and my map now shows me metals by year. Please visit office.com for more information.